A rectangular box with a volume of 30 feet cubed has a square base. Find a function that models its surface area S in terms of the length x of one side of its base. Well, first of all, let's look at the formula for surface area. Surface area is the sum of the areas of the 6 sides of the rectangular box. So there is a front and a back, which each have area WH, a left and a right, which each have area LH, and a top and the bottom, which each have WL as their area. So the surface area formula would be 2WL plus 2WH plus 2LH. But now we're supposed to write that surface area as a function of the length x of one of the sides of the base. So we're going to be able to replace W with x and L with x. And that only leaves the h as not being written in terms of x at this point. However, we were given the volume, which is length times width times height, is equal to 30. So I can substitute 30 for the volume, x for L, x for W, times h. And by dividing by h squared, I get h equals 30 divided by x squared. So now we can substitute 30 over x squared for h and x for both L and W. So the surface area becomes 2 times x plus 2 times x times 30 over x squared plus 2 times x times 30 over x squared. So we get 2x squared plus 60 over x plus 60 over x, or 2x squared plus 120 over x. This should have been an x here. So we've written the surface area as a function of x, where x was the length of one of the sides of the base.